Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is feeling well, and welcome back to the third NTFS file permission. Let's say, in this demo, I'm going to explain, and I'll give him access to the Brian Malik. We were having in a second demo, we created a user named Brian Malik, and he was only an admin user, right? He was the admin user, but he was not a member of help desk, and he got access to both Malik.com and its subfolder. Now let's remove Brian Malik from administrator, and we will we will remove from administrator in even he wasn't in a help desk member in a second demo. So in this demo, in a third NTFS permission, let's say the boss or manager told me, hey, this is Brian Malik. User, and he want to come to the organization or company tomorrow, don't add him to the help desk group, security group. In E1, don't make him admin, but still give him access to the Malik.com folder and its subfolder, which is HR in IT. Basically, for this one, since there is no security group involved, and even he is not as administrator, we need to manually add him to help desk, uh, sorry, to the Malik.com. So to give Brian Malik access to Malik.com in IT folder without making him administrator and even not a member of help desk, we need to adjust the share level permission as well as NTFS permission. Here is how you can do that. So the first step, let me log into the server. Let me remove everything. So I'm in a dashboard of my server. I'll go to the Active Directory user in computers, and this is the user, and right here there is Brian Malik. He's admin user. You click on right click properties and member. He's administrator, but he is not a member of help desk. And in the first demo, John Malik, which he was admin and also a member of help desk. So let's go and remove John Malik from from the from the administrator, since he is not even a help desk member that we did in a second demo. So right click again, properties, member, administrator, remove, yes, and apply, and okay. So Brian Malik is just a normal user because he is no longer administrator user. So now we need to go to the Malik.com folder. So let me go back and check. He is still admin user or not? He is not. So in order to do this, go to the File Explorer, and in the File Explorer, this PC, local disk C, Malik.com, right click, properties, and share. Since this share is basically the path, I want to I want to I want to emphasize this. This is the path that we need to find Malik.com on a client machine. So share, we'll click advanced share, and then here we need to click permission, and here I'll just add the Brian Malik. I'll just type Brian and check name and hit OK. I'll give him full control. Let's see for now. Apply and OK. So the Brian, we added manually Brian Malik. And also in this demo, I'm going to make sure I'll show the effective access. Before I give everything or give information to my manager that here, hey, I created everything for you. I created Brian Malik user, and he is not even admin, and he is not a member of help desk. Before I'm giving all these information to manager to give him to Brian Malik tomorrow, I want to make sure I'll check effective access to see how it's look like for him before I can provide all the information. So now we added already Brian Malik, and then what we need is for this, I will just click apply and OK. If you go to the share folder, it is not here yet. So we need to go to security and we need to add it here because we need to manually add Brian Malik to basically to the Malik.com manually. That is because Brian Malik is not admin and even he's not basically the member of the help desk member. So you need to click on edit, add, and I'll just add Brian Malik here. Bryan. I'll click check and hit OK. And I'll give full control to him. Apply. OK. And I'll click advance. And on the advanced tab, I'll give him to make sure it is a full control. It looks full control here because we gave him recently a full control. We check mark everything, right? So let me just click OK and close. Let me now see if John or Brian Malik, sorry, the Brian Malik has access to this folder or not. Let me check the effective access. To come to the effective access, select user and I'll type Brian, check name, hit OK. As you see, the Brian Malik will have access. Now I will be 100% sure that the Brian Malik will come tomorrow to the organization. He'll be able to open Malik.com without admin user, even not a member of help desk, right? Since he is able to open this folder, I am pretty much sure he'll be able to open or have access to these HR and IT folder. So let's me log in and log out. Me log in Brian Malik one more time and see. So now I'm logged into the Brian Malik. In order to go to the path file explorer one more time, and in here I'll click quick access, and in here I'll type the path to the Malik.com, which is security hacker. You see the Malik.com folder is right there, and if you click to open this, now he's able to see HR in IT folder. So in this demo, we make Brian Malik remove. We make Brian Malik remove from the administrations. We remove administrator rights from him, but we manually added him. You know, this is like it is super hard to basically manually add every user without security group. As I explained, it is the benefit of the security group is once you give or give him full give to security group full control over the Malik.com, you will just need to add member to that security group, right? And those member will have automatically access to Malik.com. And see in this third demo, there is no group involved. And you saw I was manually adding Brian Malik to Malik.com, like in two different places. This makes error like let's say for example you have 30 or 100 user, right? If you have a security group and that security group has a full control over the Malik.com folder, you will just manually keep adding members to that group, which is super easy. There is nothing you can do. But if you have 100 user and each user you are adding to the Malik.com, it will be super hard. That is because you need to manually add him in two different places. One is security and the other one is advanced share. So since Malik.com is shared with administrator only, non-administrator can access it. even if they have NTFS permission. So right now we added Brian Malik in a Malik.com and remove him from administrator, and now Brian Malik got access. Like we added manually to the Malik.com, and now Brian Malik and remove him from administrator, and now now the Brian Malik got access to the Malik.com and its subfolder without admin privilege, but with only NTFS permission we assign with a full control. So let me show this one more time, and then we'll wrap up this demo. If you go to the user, click on Brian Malik, I'll just show that Brian Malik is not member of anything. See, Brian Malik is not admin and not a member of help desk. And if you come to the help desk, properties, members, there is no Brian Malik here, only John Malik, which he is admin, and also he is a member of help desk in the first demo. So in this demo, what we did, in a conclusion, we created a user, Brian Malik, in a second demo, and in third demo, we remove him access from administrator rights. We remove him from administrations. He is no longer user, administrator user, and also he is not a member of help desk. And we manually add Brian Malik to Malik.com folder in both places, security tab and also to the advanced sharing. And now we log into the client machines, and on the client machines he was able to access to Malik.com in its subfolder. So that's all we did. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned. I will see you in a fourth demo. See you soon. Thank you and have a great day.